Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the real way to add icons to your text blocks in Notion. No, not emojis, but actual icons that will make your workspace more visually powerful and organized. If you've ever wanted to jazz up your Notion pages or add a little flair beyond old-fashioned emojis, this tutorial is definitely for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to insert icons into any text, even in your page titles, plus how to upload your own custom icons. You'll have the tools to make your Notion setup look uniquely yours. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to select any text block in Notion. It doesn't have to be anything special, just type in any random word, almost like you're testing things out. You might type task, note, or just a placeholder like sample. The magic starts when you type a colon immediately after your word. So, for example, you'll have task right after the word, no spaces. Now type any number or letter following the colon, like task 1 or note A. Here's where the fun happens. Notion will recognize this as a prompt, and you'll see a pop-up menu with a list of icons you can choose from. It's pretty cool. It's almost like a shortcut or a secret code that unlocks a mini icon library right inside your text. Take a minute to scroll through and see what catches your eye. These icons range from arrows and check marks to folders, people, and way more. So you can pick something that actually represents your content. Let me pause here for a second. Don't worry if you don't see the icons right away. Sometimes Notion takes a moment to recognize the trigger, or you might need to check that you've typed the colon directly after your word without a space. If you're stuck, just backspace and try again. It works in both simple text blocks and more complex layouts. Now, let's say the default icons just aren't quite what you're looking for. Maybe you want something super specific for your workflow, like your favorite brand logo or a custom illustration. Notion makes it easy to upload your own icons too. Just head to the icon selection panel that pops up and look for the upload option. From here, browse your computer for a PNG or SVG file. These usually work best, especially ones with transparent backgrounds. Click to upload, and your new icon is ready to use. It's as simple as dragging a file or choosing it from your folders. This step really lets you bring personality to your workspace, whether it's your company logo, your favorite animal, or any visual cue that helps you identify your information at a glance. All right, let's move on to one of my favorite touches, adding icons to page titles. It's the same process. Click on your page title, type a colon right after the main word, and then a number or letter. Instantly, you'll see the same icon menu pop up, letting you choose a visual marker for your page. This is a fantastic way to help your most important pages pop out on your sidebar or just make them more welcoming whenever you open up Notion. And that's really it. With just a couple of keystrokes and a little creativity, you can add professional-grade icons to your Notion workspace, whether it's in plain text or your page titles. Don't forget, you can always swap the icons out later or upload new ones as your style evolves. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help the channel grow. If you have any questions or if you want to share your favorite custom icons, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And if you want more Notion tips and productivity tutorials, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. See you in the next video, and happy Notioning!